Which animal has the loudest sound in the animal kingdom? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Howler monkey. D. Tiger. Correct answer is B. Blue whale. Can be heard hundreds of kilometers away. Which planet has a day that lasts only 10 hours? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Neptune. D. Uranus. Correct answer is B. Jupiter. Which insect can survive complete decapitation, losing its head? A. Beetle. B. Ant. C. Cockroach. D. Wasp. Correct answer is C. Cockroach. Which bird lays the smallest egg in the world? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Finch. D. Pigeon. Correct answer is B. Hummingbird. Which human organ is capable of creating its own electricity? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Liver. D. Kidney. Correct answer is B. Heart. Which is the driest place on Earth where rain has never been recorded? A. Atacama Desert, Chile. B. Gobi Desert, China. C. Lut Desert, Iran. D. Sahara Desert, Africa. Correct answer is A. Atacama Desert, Chile. Which fish can inflate its body to look bigger? A. Goldfish. B. Pufferfish. C. Catfish. D. Swordfish. Correct answer is B. Pufferfish. Which planet has the strongest gravity in the solar system? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Neptune. D. Earth. Correct answer is B. Jupiter. Which insect produces the most honey? A. Bee. B. Ant. C. Wasp. D. Hornet. Correct answer is A. Bee. Which animal has the longest lifespan on Earth? A. Elephant. B. Whale shark. C. Greenland shark. D. Galapagos tortoise. Correct answer is C. Greenland shark. Can live 400 years.